Hello, in front of me I've got Audi SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to navigate to points of interest. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display, and from the My menu let's go to navigation. Push the knob left to go to menu and select special destinations. Here you can search area, find entry, select category, or select from presets. For example, let's select airport. And it's done. To stop navigation route,
Drive to the route shown.
push the knob right and select Stop Route Guidance. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.